Welcome to ProfitTube, your go-to channel for turning your passion into profits. Today we're diving into the world of blogging. Not just any blog, but a profitable one you can create from scratch. In this digital era, having a blog can be more than a hobby. It can become a substantial source of income. Imagine transforming your passion for writing into a paycheck. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Stay tuned as we break down the process into easy-to-follow steps. The first step in creating a profitable blog is choosing a niche. But what exactly is a niche? In the vast universe of blogging, a niche is your specific topic or area of focus. It's like your blog's home base where you'll be creating content and building an audience. Now, why is it so important to choose a niche? Well, it's simple. A well-defined niche allows you to connect with a more targeted audience. Plus, it enables you to establish yourself as an authority in that field. When it comes to picking your niche, it's essential to choose something you're passionate about and have a good understanding of. Why? Because your passion will fuel your consistency and your knowledge will add value to your content. Different niches have different profitability potentials. But remember, a niche you love and understand well can be more profitable than a popular one with which you have no connection. Choosing a niche you are passionate about is the first step towards creating a blog that is both enjoyable and profitable. Once you have your niche, it's time to set up your blog. This is where the magic happens, where your thoughts and ideas take a tangible form. Now, the process might seem a bit technical, but I assure you, it's as easy as pie once you get the hang of it. First things first, choosing a blogging platform. Consider it as the foundation of your blog. There are numerous platforms out there, but WordPress is a popular choice due to its user-friendly interface and customizability. Next up, buying a domain. This is your address on the internet, your unique identifier. It should be catchy, easy to remember, and ideally should resonate with the niche you've chosen. There are several domain registrars to choose from, with prices varying based on the extension you want. After securing your domain, it's time to set up web hosting. Web hosts are the landlords of the internet, providing you with the digital space to store your blog's data. Again, there are several providers to choose from, offering different plans based on your needs. Now let's talk about design. Your blog's design should be visually appealing and user-friendly. Remember, first impressions matter. A clean, organized layout with intuitive navigation will keep your readers coming back for more. Lastly, always ensure that your blog is mobile-friendly. With most people accessing the internet via their mobile devices, a mobile-optimized blog is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Having a well-set-up blog is crucial in attracting and retaining readers. So, take your time, do your research, and create a blog that truly represents you. Until next time, this is ProfitTube signing off. With the blog set up, it's now time to create quality content. The essence of a successful blog is its content. It is the heart and soul of your platform, the magnet that draws readers in and keeps them coming back. To ensure your blog thrives, focus on crafting content that is engaging, informative, and relevant to your chosen niche. Consistency is key. Regularly posting quality content keeps your blog fresh and your audience engaged. But remember, consistency is not just about quantity. It's about maintaining a high standard with each post. Now let's talk about visibility. The use of search engine optimization, or SEO keywords, is crucial to increase your blog's visibility. These are words or phrases that potential readers might type into a search engine when looking for content like yours. Remember, content is king. It's what keeps your readers coming back for more. So, invest time and effort into creating content that resonates with your audience and watch your blog flourish. Now that you have quality content, it's time to monetize your blog. One of the most common ways to do this is through ad revenue. Platforms like Google AdSense can place relevant ads on your blog, and you'll earn money each time a visitor interacts with these ads. Another popular method is through sponsored posts. Companies will pay you to write a blog post about their product or service. This can be a lucrative option, but it's important to maintain transparency with your readers and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Then there's affiliate marketing, where you promote a product and receive a commission on any sales made through your referral link. This can be a great way to earn passive income. But remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Having multiple income streams can help ensure your blog's financial stability. Monetizing your blog is the final step in turning your blogging passion into profits.